Running today with the legendary HD 3870X2. This is a 2008 video card from ATI. It's got 320 shaders, 500 megabytes of VRAM GDDR3 running with 823 MHz on the core clock, 900 MHz on the memory clock, 256 bits bus width, DirectX 10, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. Very interesting video card, but the only problem I have today is that it's working only half of the video card. It's only one core is working today. I got it broken, I got a chip, I want to test it, I want to see how it's performing. Does it run any games with one core? I don't know a lot of results from a video card like this, so the only thing I can do is jump in a couple of games and see if it's working, you know, or how it's performing. I want to test this video card in the ultrasonic. I want to probe it, I want to test it, I want to see if I can identify what's the problem, but at the same time I never seen this type of problems, and maybe it's working like a 3850 or 3070. I don't know, it's like 800 megahertz from a core. Maybe it's going to be an interesting performance from the game. I can say nothing good, I can say nothing bad, it's just new. Let's see how this 3870X2 fan is performing on 100% fan speed. It's very important. Usually they go as a Hoover fan, you know, it's like the neighbor can hear you when you're cleaning your room with this. Yeah, they're loud. I want to see how it's performing like this. So it's holding okay-ish theoretically. I think GPU-Z's got a sensor here. Actually, I left it here running so I can see if it's dropping. But 3048, it's okay. I don't know if it's performing like this in the game, but nevertheless. In the main microphone, it's not loud if I disable that microphone. I can keep it like this, because if I can keep it like this, then I can keep the video card cool. And it's very important for a video card like this to have nice temperature. So let's jump in the games and see how it's performing with only one core. Very interesting. If I remember correctly, I had 720p with low jitters. This is good. So for one core is good. This video card it should have been much better on the performance side with dual core. I think if I had two of them, it would have been totally different. So 100% fan speed, I got 75 degrees. It's very interesting performance from this. Maybe after I clean it, I'm gonna test it one more time and see if I can troubleshoot it. It's a very interesting video card to have in your library, but it's very hard to maintain it. It's very hard to keep it alive. There's a lot of problems with them. Alright, so in the battlefield, I don't have 100 FPS like it showed me, but I do have 30-40 FPS. I would have expected this type of performance, seriously. So 720p. Maybe I can go lower resolution. Let's see. Maybe I can put 1024 or something like that. 1024 like this. Let's see. This is a very low resolution. 48 FPS. I mean, it's working, you know. I'm not gonna crop it because I want to show you how it's performing. Until now, I have a very good idea what's going on with this. You know, it's functioning like a 3850, you know, an underclock 3870. Not bad, not good, it's just how it is. Seriously. So Battlefield on the lowest resolution with the lowest quality, I got like 45 FPS on average. 45, I mean, this is not very ideal, but this is what I got. I mean, I can't say nothing bad about this if I don't try Crysis. So the question is, does it run Crysis? It's very important to understand the performance here with this video card, because most of the time, if I have any problems with the video card, it's going to show up in benchmarking. So the moment I start the game, crashing, artifacting, but until now, nothing, like literally nothing is wrong with this. I got like 720p here with low quality. It shows that if one core is working, apparently the video card can still produce enough content in order for you to not throw it away. Seriously, if one is working, the video card will still output. But you know what I'm questioning? Because what happens if the other core is bad? You know, the one that is on the right side near the pin connector. Because now you managed to see at the beginning that the core on the left that is near the connection to the monitor, like DVI or whatever it's got, there's video or something. And it's very important to understand this. Very good idea, very good test. The demolition on the building doesn't work until I put high quality. I didn't know that. Seriously. I'm not gonna put it because I'm gonna butcher the core. Until now, to see this video card running with 60-70 FPS, it's exactly what I want from this. So I got only 230 watts consumption maximum from this, so average is nearly nice on minimal 1%. Everything is good here. So 340 megabytes of VRAM. It's in the graph with this. Seriously, with this video card, with this performance, I will not butcher it. Higher resolution and stuff like that, and maybe you can put a little more quality, but that depends on you. You know, I don't know if you have a half-cooked video card like this, but if you do have it, this is what you can do with it. If you're jumping in Team Fortress with this combination here on 1080p with low quality, you can actually see it's holding pretty good on this occasion. Not a bad performance from this. I mean, low quality with 1080p, it's not bad for this video card, considering what I have here, only one core. Imagine having dual cores, but I think the game, this game doesn't work with dual core Crossfire. I got maximum load on the core with nearly 400 megabytes of VRAM allocated and 399. I mean 400 processed and allocated. It's doing a fantastic job, this one, seriously. Alright, I'll take it like this because this is the only thing I have here. Performance is good, doesn't have any problems. Temperature, I got like 75 degrees on this with 100% fan speed. I knew it's going to end up like this, but I can't do nothing here. On the system side, apparently it's holding okay. I don't have any problems with the computer. This is the only thing that is important here. Nani? Oh, that the computer doesn't have any problems and doesn't create any bottlenecks. But this i7 apparently is doing a fantastic job, so it's delivering the performance with only 30% load maximum on the CPU side. 30 watts is a lot, you know, apparently for this. Very interesting performance in Call of Duty with this video card. Let me explain why. I got 1080p here with everything turned on at maximum without the effects. I didn't know how it's going to perform, and I left everything on. I said, well, back in the days with this video card, I can run this game with maximum details. I want this video card to run with good FPS, but I was a little, I should say, deceived about this video card's performance on 1080p. Let's see how it's performing. Look at that. Very interesting performance. I got 500 megabytes of VRAM allocated and 300 processed. So the video card is doing the job in this case with 1080p with maximum details. A couple of effects are being put down, but aside from that, everything is good. Everything is working really nice here. So it's very stable with one core. I got 73-75 degrees in this case. So 99% load on this occasion. It's good. I got 100% fan speed and good temperature. Nani. So it looks great, it's working really nice. Apparently I have to do some adjustments with the resolution and the quality in order to get fluent FPS. I got like 60 FPS on average, but 33 on 1% and 1 on minimal. Not ideal, but it does show me that it's possible with one core to actually play the game and create some custom settings in order to have decent gameplay with one core from this video card. Very interesting performance and test. This is a very unique experiment with this video card. I never seen a video card like this running with so many FPS with only one core. No crossfire enabled. Usually when I put a video card like this, I got enabled 2 GPUs, and that's the only thing that is satisfying about this, you know. This is an interesting game to actually play on a video card like this, but because I have only one core, it's gonna be very interesting to see how it's performing. On this occasion with 1080p with lowest quality, the game is holding pretty well, utilizing the video card. Definitely love to see more from this video card running similar games like this. I love this idea of video card running with only one core, but it's utilizing okay-ish theoretically. 75 degrees when it's fully loaded, it's not bad. So on the system side, I got like 15-20% load, and it's okay. Come on, look at that. So 60 FPS is good. The only thing I have a problem is 14 FPS on minimal and 14 on 1%. I think the only thing is possible here is to actually play the game with low resolution. That's the only thing I can do here. So if I want this video cards to handle a couple of games, it needs to be something like this. I don't have a problem on utilizing one core like this, but the moment I have 2 cores, yeah, I'm gonna have some glitches. So in this case, with only one core, it's okay. Even if I had both of the cores, I think I should have disabled it in order to maintain decent performance. If I jump in Dragon Age with this video card, I mean with this single core from this video card, I think I'm gonna have a problem because 1080p with maximum details, it doesn't work here. The quality is good, but I have to adjust it. I have to go into the settings here, and I think I have to put it on low, anti-aliasing on off, and leave anisotropy filtering there. I got 60 FPS now with lower quality with anti-aliasing disabled. You can actually see it's doing great. 95% load on the core of the video card, 75 degrees, so it's being utilized. Don't need anti-aliasing because I got 1080p and the edges are kind of good in this case. The fog doesn't I wanted to say it doesn't influence too much the performance, but it dropped to 30 FPS. It's butchering this core, seriously. 72, 75 on the temps, 95%. That means it's maxed out and it's holding okay. So in the smoke, it's got a lot of problems. Let's do a reset here. It doesn't have a lot of VRAM utilization because of the quality. Even though the resolution is high, the quality is low. So compensating from this, it's good, you know. So if I want more quality, I think I have to create a balance between 720p and medium quality, and it's going to be okay. But because this is a DirectX 10, the game has DirectX 11 features, but if you don't, you have to stick with DirectX 9. So in this case, I'm on DirectX 9 if I'm not mistaken, and I got like 70 FPS, but you can actually see the drop is too low, 36 FPS on minimal because of the fog. So ideal would be to go 720p, 1366, keep the settings like this and see if you get better minimals. And if you get better minimals, put a little more details and you can adjust it yourself. So I like this, what this video card is offering here. I actually thought I will never do nothing with it because oh no, another video card for spares, you know. That's how I felt, you know, and I was like, okay, it's working one core, let me do a video about it. And this is a good experience that I'm getting from this video card. Can't believe it's working with one core, but if it's working, it's working, and that's it. This is the only thing that matters. I'm playing Dragon Age with a different type of settings on 1080p with low quality, and it's not bad. Very important test with this machine in this game. I got medium quality on 1080p. I don't know how it's gonna perform, so I kept it on medium quality because with only one core, I mean, I know how it's performing with dual cores and quad cores and stuff like that, but with only one core, I was like, okay, let's keep medium quality on 1080p to have 60 FPS on average, and it does really nice. So it stays around 50-60 FPS as an average. You can see that buffer is quite enough. So seeing 200 watts consumption from this machine, it's not bad. I got 200 megabytes of VRAM utilization and it's holding okay. So in this situation, I would say it's ideal in this case, the resolution and the per quality in order to get this performance. So 60 FPS is achievable with one core from this video card. So if you disable crossfire from this video card and say you have a problem with this video card, but at the same time I want to play some games, you can actually see this is actually possible. So I'll call this a big win. There is no discussion. This is a big win for the video card. Temperature wise is 60 degrees because it's only 200 watts. So I got like 60-70% load on the core. Fan speed is 100% because I wanted to max out the whole thing in order to get nice temperature. It's not bad, but I want more from this, you know, from this video card, and in order to get it, I have to maintain the temperature in order not to brutalize it. So I'll take it. I'll take Fallout with this. It's not bad when it comes to this video card, with this single core video card. Like I said, I'm actually mesmerized that I have a video card that is working one core like this. It's cute, you know. It's cute to see that you can salvage this video card if you don't have a functional one. No discussion. We need to jump in S.T.A.L.K.E.R and see how it's running with 1080p with maximum details, but on static light. It's very hard on this video card, and I think the only way I can make this video card, this single core video card, run is like this, with this type of setting. So on static light with maximum quality on 1080p, you can see how it's got hundreds of FPS. So 300 megabytes is good, 300 allocation, I got 77 degrees on this occasion because it's maxed out everything. So on the system side, I got no problems. I got 20% load on this occasion with 4.8 gig of system RAM. It's utilizing the computer with this occasion. It's boosting the CPU that is reaching nearly 4000 megahertz on this occasion, and I got 250, even more on the water side. So there is a sweet balance between them, but you have to find it with the resolution. Then you can put some dynamic light and you can get a different type of experience. This is a very good video card, standalone. So if you have a 3870, you can actually see it. That is kind of good. And I think this is underclocked or less powerful than a 3870 because this is a cut down version of that, and it needs to be fitted on a single PCB in order to run 2 cores. So seeing this video card running like this in this occasion, it's not bad, seriously, but it's 77-79 degrees and I don't like it, seriously. So do I recommend something like this? Well, if you only have it like this in this condition, use it if you're interested, but don't forget to put new thermal paste and try to make the video card run with 100% fan speed, because this is the only way you can cool it down. So overall performance, it's kind of fantastic in S.T.A.L.K.E.R. Minecraft, on the other hand, is working okay with this single core video card. Very interesting to see this video card running like this. I want to play the game with a video card like this that is older, and you can actually see it's not that bad. So I'm not gonna lie, if I want Minecraft with this type of video card, because I cannot use dual core video cards with this game, you can see that on single player with single core you can play the game properly and there is no problem on. Bro, I'll call this a big win, because most of the time if I attempt on using a video card like this, it needs to be like this. 50-60% load on the video card score is not bad. I got 123 megabytes of VRAM utilized in this case, but it's not maxed out. I got 1080p and everything is put on lowest, like the chunks, blocks and stuff like that, they are not maxed out. It's not a high-end quality, you know, but it managed to start the game, so I just wanted to show you how it's performing. Until now everything is good, so I'll call this a big win. Definitely an interesting performance from this video card. I love this performance it managed to offer me with one single core. Here on when it says ATI Crossfire is disabled, well, I only got one core in the situation. I had different type of problems when I had 2 cores that were actually visible, but they couldn't activate ATI Crossfire, so it created a lot of problems. Maybe this is something that I have to look into, you know, disabling Crossfire and allowing the video card to actually utilize only one core. Very interesting idea, but it will be very nice to see if it's actually fixable. 3870X2, this is a dual BGA video card and it's actually fantastic to have in the collection. Do I recommend something like this as a daily driver? Of course not. This is good for the shelf. This is good to run it time to time. You know, this is an very old video card, but it's a monster on in when it comes to its class. You know, so ideal would be to have it as a collection, not as a daily driver for your retro machine or old machine. Very happy that I managed to see some results, and maybe in the future I'm gonna see something else. I want to clean it, I want to disassemble it, I want to strip it apart, and I want to start measuring some components to see why this video card is not working. So at the same time, I'm happy. Maybe in the future I'm gonna go with a video card that is similar as one core from this, you know, to see a 3870 standalone, how it's comparing with the same games. It will be very interesting to say, okay, so see, I played with this 3870X2 with one single core, and this one standalone video card 3870 is doing much better than this one. Maybe because this needs to be cut down version of that. I don't know. It will be a very interesting test to actually have some proof that is one-on-one with the same games, of course. So I have to note down 3870, same games, and see how it's performing. But if you have any suggestion for this video card or for that 3870, leave a comment, smash that like button, and as usual, I will see you very soon.